Excel Chapter 3. Move Sheet 4, May 2015 Revenue Detail to the left of Sheet 11, May 2015. So I'm going to highlight this sheet here, right-click, move or copy, highlight the one you're moving it to the left of, and hit OK. All right. On Sheet May 4, so we're going to be on May 4. We're going to delete column. See, on 4 May 2015 revenue sheet detail, freeze rows 1 through 3. So highlight A4, go to View, Freeze Panes. If you notice, everything above A4 is frozen. Okay. Now, delete column M. Right-click on the M, clear contents. Okay. Create a spark line in cell L5. Let's put L5 based on the data from B5 to J5. So we can create a spark line. So we can go Data, Insert, Spark Lines, Line, B5 to, see here, we're going to see B5 to J5. Right. Hit OK. There you go. Copy the line spark line you created in L5 into the ranges L6 to L11. So this is still highlighted. So move the cursor until it gets right over the top of that. See how it changes? And just scroll down to here. There you go. In the stack column chart with the title revenue per dispatch center, okay, add a primary horizontal axis. So we're going to hit the plus sign, axis, make sure that, hit the arrow here to make sure that they're both checked, and rename them. So the vertical one will be revenue, and the horizontal, highlight it, there we go, will be dispatch center. Just exit out of it. There we go. Change the style of the stack chart to style 3. Alright. Okay. In the stack column chart, change the number format of the vertical axis. So we highlight it. We'll see where all the grips come up here. Highlight it. Select on it. Right click. Format axis. Go over to number. Change it to accounting with 0 decimal places. And hit exit. There we go. That way you only have the number, the dollar signs, and no decimals. Just X back out of it. There you go. In the 3D pie chart, add database labels. So hit the plus sign, data labels, hit the arrow, and go outside in. Okay. All right, switch to the 11 May 2015 revenue. Select the range A4 to K4. A4 to K4. Select the alignment, hit the arrow, format cell alignment, and change this to 45. And hit OK. Change the spark line style for L5 to L11. So we're going to change the spark line here. So highlight this. We change it to change the style. Hit design. Change the style to Sparkline Style Accent 6, no dark or light. Okay. Then grab it and copy it. Alright. Use the entry of cell A5 to fill the ranges A6 through A11 with consecutive dates. So go here. Scroll down all the way down to here. And there. It's auto-filled. Change the fill color of A12 through K12. A12 through K12 to standard yellow. Use the recommended charts tool to create a clustered column chart based on A4 through J11. So A4 to J11, which is right here. We get insert recommended charts, column charts. Hit OK. Move the chart, right click, move chart to a new sheet. We're going to name the sheet 11 May 2015 revenue chart. And hit OK. It's on a new sheet now. In the new sheet, change the chart title to revenue per, make sure it's capitalized, dispatch, CENTER, hyphen, okay, after the center, put space, hyphen, space, week of May, space, 11, comma, space, 2015. And that's it. Type it exactly like that. Add a primary axis. So I'm going to add axis titles. Make sure they're primary and horizontal is both there. All right. Now, highlight the vertical axis. Will be revenue. And the horizontal axis will be dispatch center. All right. In the custom column chart, change the number format of the vertical. So highlight the vertical column again. Right click, format axis. Number, it's already set to accounting, but just change the decimal to 0. And exit out, and automatically it'll change it. All right. Switch to the 2016 revenue projection sheet. That will be this one. Okay. Switch, all right. In the edit formula, cell C7, which will be this one, to where it is an absolute value. So we're going to highlight the cell. Okay, excellent. Highlight the cell here, then go up here to the formula. Okay. And we're going to add a dollar sign before and after the C. And hit enter. Then copy the formula. Copy the formula. to C11. There we go. Perform a goal seek. So we're going to go to data, what if, goal seek. Now here we'll have C12, 60 million, 60, 123, 123 by changing cell C4. Hit OK. Zoom, 150%. There we go. Now, switch to the credit card tab, and we're going to use an if function. If function. Now, if function to check whether the value of B9 is less than that 70,000. So we're going to B9 less than 70,000. If it's true, it's going to be B9 times 0.03. If it's not true, then it's going to be B9 times 0.025 plus 350. Auto-populate the rest of them, the other two. That's it. Copy the formula you entered from B11 to C11 to D11. This one is now complete. Rename it, upload it, and submit it.